Thunder Knob Trail, day 57 again, September 4th.
Sorry, I got your picture there.
No problem. It's all part of it.
It's probably my dog you wanted a picture of.
Yes. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not bad. So it started raining coming up the trail. Rain chances were not going to be high today, so I hope it stays that way. Saw some on the windshield just before I got here, and then it got windy. Now it's not windy. So I set up the tent today only to show that I had occupied the site, but I was planning to sleep in the car because it'll get me out faster tomorrow, and I'm going to do a long drive south, most likely tomorrow, and get out of Washington State. This is my last hike here, and it's a short one because I have to get back by dark, but anyway, I plan to take the tent down. Sorry about the huffing, I'm going uphill again, but take the tent down. I only put it up for display purposes today. That way, sleep in the car, get out quicker. I hope I don't get all wet tonight, and that becomes harder to do.